Your body is tired, not because of your schedule, but because of what you're feeding it every single day. You think you're eating enough, maybe even healthy, but if your energy keeps crashing, your focus disappears, and you feel drained for no reason. Something is missing, and here's the truth. Your body runs on the right fuel, or it slowly breaks down without it. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 12 powerful foods that can completely change your energy, your focus, and your overall health. And most people are missing at least half of them. Let's start with one of the most powerful daily energy foods. Slow, steady energy. Oats. You eat carbs to feel full, but not all carbs give you real energy, and this is where most people get it wrong. Oats are one of the few carbs that actually work with your body, not against it. They're rich in complex carbohydrates and a special type of fiber called beta-glucan, which slows down digestion and keeps your blood sugar stable. That means instead of getting a quick spike followed by a crash, you get a smooth, steady release of energy that can last for hours. And here's what most people don't realize. When your blood sugar keeps going up and down, your energy crashes, your focus drops, and you start craving more sugar. Oats help break that cycle completely. They keep you full longer, reduce unnecessary snacking, and give your body a consistent fuel source. They're also packed with important nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins, which your body needs to actually produce energy at the cellular level. Without these nutrients, even if you're eating enough, you can still feel tired. So when you start your day with oats, you're not just eating breakfast, you're setting your energy, your focus, and even your mood for the entire day. And before we move to the next one, if you want to take this even further, grab my free ebook, Top 30 No-Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. You'll find it in the description and the first comment. Deep anti-fatigue fuel. Fatty fish. You eat fish for protein, but fatty fish is doing something much deeper inside your body, and most people completely overlook it. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and these are not just healthy fats. They directly fight one of the biggest hidden causes of low energy: inflammation. When your body is inflamed, even slightly, your cells don't function properly, your brain slows down, and you feel constantly tired without a clear reason. Omega-3s help reduce that inflammation at the cellular level. This means your body can produce energy more efficiently, your brain can think more clearly, and you don't feel that heavy mental and physical fatigue throughout the day. And here's something most people don't realize. Fatty fish also supports your brain directly. It improves communication between brain cells, boosts memory, and helps you stay focused longer. So it's not just about physical energy, it's mental energy too. It's also rich in high-quality protein, which helps maintain muscle strength and keeps your body stable and energized. Without enough protein, your energy levels slowly drop, and your body struggles to recover and perform. So when you add fatty fish into your routine, you're not just eating healthy, you're actively removing one of the biggest barriers to consistent, long-lasting energy. Complete body fuel. Eggs. You eat eggs for protein, but what they actually do inside your body goes far beyond that, and most people don't even realize it. Eggs are considered one of the most complete foods on the planet because they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. That means your body doesn't have to struggle to break things down or look for missing pieces. It gets everything it needs in one simple food, which makes energy production much more efficient. But here's where it gets really interesting. Eggs are one of the richest sources of choline, a nutrient that plays a major role in brain function. Choline helps your brain send signals faster and more effectively, which directly impacts your focus, memory, and mental energy. So if you ever feel mentally slow or unfocused, this could be a missing piece. Eggs are also packed with B vitamins, especially B12, which your body uses to convert the food you eat into usable energy. Without enough of these vitamins, your body can't produce energy properly, even if you're eating enough calories. And unlike many other foods, eggs keep you full for longer. That means fewer cravings, less snacking, and more stable energy throughout the day, instead of constant ups and downs. So when you eat eggs, you're not just getting protein, you're giving your body one of the most efficient, complete, and powerful energy sources it can use. Gut-powered energy. Greek yogurt. You eat yogurt for digestion, but Greek yogurt is doing something much deeper, and this is where most people miss its real power. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, the good bacteria that live in your gut. And here's the truth, your gut is not just about digestion. It directly controls how much energy your body can actually produce. If your gut isn't healthy, your body struggles to absorb nutrients properly. That means even if you're eating healthy foods, you're not getting the full benefit. it, and your energy levels stay low. Greek yogurt helps fix that by improving your gut microbiome, allowing your body to absorb more vitamins and minerals that are essential for energy. It's also much higher in protein than regular yogurt, which helps keep your blood sugar stable and prevents those sudden energy crashes. Stable blood sugar means steady energy, better focus, and fewer cravings throughout the day. And here's something most people don't realize. A healthy gut is also linked to your mood and mental clarity. When your gut is balanced, you feel more energized, more focused, and even mentally lighter. So when you add Greek yogurt to your routine, you're not just supporting digestion, you're unlocking more energy from every single thing you eat. Sustained fuel release. Nuts and seeds. You snack on them casually, but nuts and seeds are doing something powerful behind the scenes, and most people completely underestimate them. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and essential minerals that your body depends on for stable energy. Unlike sugary snacks that give you a quick boost and then crash, nuts and seeds provide slow-burning fuel that keeps you energized for hours. And here's where it gets interesting. These foods are rich in magnesium, one of the most important nutrients for energy production. Magnesium helps your body convert the food you eat into actual usable energy. Without enough of it, your body feels tired, weak, and constantly drained, even if you're eating enough. They also contain healthy fats that support your brain function and keep you mentally sharp. That's why a small handful can make you feel more focused and less fatigued, especially during long workdays. And because they're high in fiber and fats, they keep you full for longer, which helps reduce cravings and prevents those constant energy dips caused by frequent snacking. So when you eat nuts and seeds, you're not just having a snack. You're giving your body a steady, reliable source of energy that supports both your mind and your body throughout the day. Long-lasting plant energy. Beans and lentils. You eat them as a side, but beans and lentils are actually one of the most powerful energy foods you can add to your diet, and most people don't use them enough. They combine complex carbohydrates, plant-based protein, and fiber all in one place, which makes them incredibly effective for steady, long-lasting energy. Instead of giving you a quick boost and then dropping you down, they digest slowly and provide a constant stream of fuel your body can rely on. And here's something many people overlook. Beans and lentils are rich in iron, a nutrient your body needs to carry oxygen through your blood. When your iron levels are low, your body struggles to deliver oxygen to your muscles and brain. And that's when fatigue, weakness, and low energy start to show up. They're also packed with fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents those sudden energy crashes that leave you feeling tired and hungry again. This means more stable energy, better focus, and fewer cravings throughout the day. And because they're high in both protein and fiber, they keep you full for longer, which naturally reduces overeating and supports weight management without feeling restricted. So when you start adding beans and lentils to your meals, you're not just eating healthy, you're giving your body a steady, reliable energy source that keeps you going for hours. Cell-protecting energy. Berries. You enjoy them for the taste, but berries are doing something powerful deep inside your body, and most people don't even realize it. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, and these compounds play a major role in fighting cellular damage. Every day, your body is exposed to stress, toxins, and inflammation, and over time, this slows down your cells and drains your energy. Berries help protect your cells from that damage. When your cells are healthier, they produce energy more efficiently, which means you feel less tired and more active throughout the day. And here's something most people overlook. Chronic, low-level inflammation is one of the hidden reasons behind constant fatigue. The antioxidants in berries help reduce that inflammation, allowing your body and brain to function at a higher level. They're also rich in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. This means you get a more stable energy flow, instead of sudden spikes and crashes that leave you feeling drained. And because they're naturally sweet, berries can also help you reduce sugar cravings without harming your energy levels, making them a smart and satisfying choice. So when you eat berries, you're not just enjoying a snack, you're actively protecting your body, supporting your energy, and helping yourself feel better every single day. Oxygen-driven energy. Leafy greens. You eat greens to be healthy, but what they actually do for your energy is far more important, and most people completely overlook it. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in iron, and this is where the real impact starts. Iron helps your body produce red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your entire body. And here's the key. Without enough oxygen, your body simply cannot produce energy efficiently. That's when you start feeling tired, weak, weak and out of breath, even if you're not doing much. Leafy greens also contain essential vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, which support your overall cellular function. This helps your body not only produce energy but also use it more effectively. They're also incredibly light, yet nutrient-dense, which means you're giving your body powerful fuel without feeling heavy or sluggish after eating. This is why meals that include leafy greens often leave you feeling more refreshed instead of tired. And over time, regularly eating leafy greens helps improve your overall blood health, circulation, and stamina. So your energy doesn't just improve for a few hours, it improves consistently. So when you add leafy greens to your daily routine, you're not just eating healthy, you're giving your body the oxygen support it needs to stay energized, active, and fully functional. Instant, natural energy. Bananas. You grab a banana when you're tired, but there's a reason your body craves it, and most people don't fully understand why. Bananas are one of the best natural sources of quick, usable energy. They're packed with easily digestible carbohydrates that your body can turn into fuel almost immediately, making them perfect when your energy suddenly drops. But unlike sugary snacks that give you a fast spike and then crash, bananas also contain fiber, which helps slow down the release of sugar into your bloodstream. This gives you a more balanced energy boost instead of that sharp rise and fall that leaves you feeling even more tired. They're also rich in potassium, a key mineral that supports muscle function and prevents fatigue. Low potassium levels can leave you feeling weak, sluggish, and low on energy, even if you're eating enough. And here's something most people overlook. Bananas contain vitamin B6, which helps your body convert the food you eat into actual energy. Without enough of this vitamin, your body struggles to produce energy efficiently. That's why bananas are often called the perfect pre-workout food. They give you quick fuel, support your muscles, and help you stay energized without needing caffeine. So when you eat a banana, you're not just having a quick snack, you're giving your body fast, clean energy that it can use right away. Slow-burning, lasting fuel. Avocado. You eat avocado for healthy fats, but what it really does for your energy is something most people completely overlook. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, and unlike quick carbs that burn fast and disappear, these fats provide slow, steady energy that your body can rely on for hours. That means no sudden crashes, no sharp drops, just consistent, stable fuel throughout your day. And here's where it gets even more powerful. Avocados are also packed with fiber, which helps regulate your blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar stays stable, your energy stays stable too. No cravings, no sudden hunger, and no feeling drained shortly after eating. They also contain important nutrients like potassium and B vitamins, which support your body's energy production at a deeper level. These nutrients help your cells actually create and use energy more efficiently, not just temporarily boost it. And because avocados are nutrient-dense but easy to digest, they give you energy without making you feel heavy or sluggish. This is why meals that include avocado often leave you feeling satisfied, focused, and energized for longer periods. So when you add avocado to your meals, you're not just eating healthy fats, you're giving your body a steady, reliable energy source that keeps you going without the ups and downs. A surprising energy boost. Dark chocolate. You crave chocolate when you're tired, and that's not just a coincidence. Your body is actually asking for something inside it. Dark chocolate is rich in natural compounds like caffeine and theobromine, which gently stimulate your nervous system. Unlike coffee that can hit hard and then crash, dark chocolate gives you a smoother, more balanced lift in energy and alertness. But here's what most people don't realize. Dark chocolate is also packed with flavonols, powerful antioxidants that improve blood flow throughout your body, especially to your brain. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your brain, which helps you feel more awake, focused, and mentally sharp. It also has a natural mood-boosting effect. Dark chocolate helps your brain release feel-good chemicals, which can reduce stress and mental fatigue, two major reasons why your energy drops during the day. And because it contains healthy fats, it slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing the sharp spikes and crashes you get from regular sweets. That means you get a steady, controlled energy boost instead of a quick high followed by exhaustion. So when you eat dark chocolate, you're not just satisfying a craving, you're giving your brain and body a gentle, effective boost in both energy and focus. Clean, long-lasting energy, sweet potatoes. You eat sweet potatoes as a carb, but they're one of the cleanest and most powerful energy sources you can give your body, and most people don't realize it. Sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates and fiber, which means they digest slowly and provide a steady release of energy over time. Instead of giving you a quick boost followed by a crash, they keep your energy stable for hours, helping you stay active and focused throughout the day. And here's what makes them even more powerful. They're rich in vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, and B vitamins, all of which support your body's ability to produce energy at the cellular level. Without these nutrients, your body struggles to turn food into usable energy, no matter how much you eat. They're also high in potassium, which helps support muscle function and prevents that tired, sluggish feeling you get when your body is low on essential minerals. And because they're naturally satisfying and nutrient-dense, they help reduce cravings and prevent overeating, which keeps your energy levels more balanced and consistent. So when you eat sweet potatoes, you're not just choosing a healthy carb, you're giving your body clean, steady fuel that keeps you energized, strong, and focused without the ups and downs. Now here's the truth. Your energy, your focus, and even how your body feels every day. It all comes down to what you feed it. Start adding these foods consistently, and you'll feel the difference faster than you expect. And if you want to go even further, don't forget to download my free ebook, Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. It's in the description and the first comment. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which of these foods are you already eating daily?